In this episode of Mindful Meddlers,
I'm her sugar daddy now. She no longer works.
pretty good size gap.
It is. It's just the right size gap.
Just the right size
Yeah.
for what? A squirrel to get through?
Lisa? Maybe. So we got up here today to put those two windows in there and there, which this is the master bedroom. We put a sliding glass door in at another property we have. We had plenty of flashing tape here, but we came and got it so we could put that door in, and I don't think we replaced it, and we can't find enough here to put these windows in. So I think we're gonna have to, now that we're here and saying hey, we're gonna say see you later, we got to go to the store and get some stuff. So anyway, that's the project for today. We're going to try to get those two windows in if I can go get some tape and come back in time. So we'll see you in just a little bit. You got anything to say, Lisa?
No,
Oh, Lisa hit a milestone this week.
I did. Yesterday,
Yesterday.
October 31st.
Yeah. I'm her sugar daddy now. She no longer works.
I retired.
She retired. So really, she's got her own. She
I
doesn't
have
need me.
retirement.
She doesn't need me, like usual, but anyway, it's a good time for her.
Fun
I've still
times
got a year and a
ahead.
half, so yeah, she's gonna enjoy life for a while, and grandbabies maybe.
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna go to the store. We'll be back. We're back. We got tape and all kinds of good stuff. What all did we get? Tape and caulk and stain.
All the stuff. All the stuff.
All the stuff. We got all the stuff that we need. So we're gonna take this out and stick a window in there. Just stick it in. Be nice to just stick right in there. So they've got, these are in against the frame of the house. So there's all that siding and stuff out there that we try to, I just get a bar and bend that out of there basically and pull it out. I have to take the glass out first. So anyway, that's what I'm gonna do now, is try to wiggle that out of there somehow.
Just very brittle, isn't it?
Yeah. Yep, it is.
The seal was at the point it wasn't working real well. It was keeping the window in, but they're just in really bad shape.
Not gonna give it up though. That one corner.
hang on to the glass so it doesn't fall out on you?
Well, there we go.
There you go.
Got it.
Okay.
There.
Yay. Do you need this ladder in here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. It's pretty handy having an opening,
It is.
I guess, until winter comes.
Now. Cracked it right there. It is really fragile glass. Huh. Most of them have popped out pretty easily.
Yeah. Oh, there it cracked again.
I was hoping it would crack on up. We're kind of going about this kind of backwards in a way because we do want to eventually re-side the place. So, and then it's going to change really the way the window sets in there. So I am kind of halfway doing this temporarily because it will have to be done. Again, we're just not typical people that do things in the right order. If we keep the place, we've got a lot of plans for the outside. If not, somebody else can side it. They can just re-side and trim up against the windows where they land. I know if we redo it the way I plan to redo it, that's the way it'll happen. We may have to readjust one or two of them, but for the most part, they're just gonna fold right in and be okay. Somebody had asked the other day on our page why we didn't just go ahead if we was gonna do the siding, why we didn't just do it now, but that's kind of why. It's gonna be good. There's nothing wrong with what we're doing. It would just be a little better and cleaner job if it was all taken apart and done. But we're
Yeah.
not at that point.
And we don't want to spend that kind of money right now.
Uh-uh.
That would be very expensive to change the siding right now. And we've got the inside to do.
And the siding really isn't that bad. Thing is, you just gotta do what works for you and keep on moving forward.
As long as you're making things better and it's not going to make it worse.
Yeah, that's the goal. So what do you want me to show?
I was just going to show that lip on
Lip?
it. Yeah. This has a lip on it. It's down in front of the siding.
Just gotta drop it in there first. Slide it back. Let that go up. See what that's gonna look like. So that'll work. It's pushed against that J-channel. What is it this way? Oh, that's good.
Good. Pretty good size gap.
It is. It's just the right size gap.
Just the right size.
Yeah.
For what? A squirrel to get through?
Lisa? Maybe. siding up there. Well, the top don't need anything.
Not with that, no.
It just needs caulked in.
Did you tell them what you did with the top and how you got it in there?
So we put this channel up here, but we had to take it outside because it also has a lip on the bottom, and we was able to push it up in there from outside and bring it this way then.
Here it is. What are we doing today?
Well, we started to put this other window in the master bedroom. So we know the siding's not good under the vinyl anyway. It's something we plan on replacing eventually after the inside is done. I know that sounds kind of backwards to some people, but we're trying to do what we can manage to pay for a little at a time. The siding actually isn't that bad, the vinyl. It's what's under it that's not that great. We've seen a few of these boards that was rotten when we were changing stuff out, but this is leaked. You got down into the siding there. We're going to go ahead and open it up, and I'm just going to put a piece of siding back in there. What was under it was that. So somebody cut a lot of corners putting that on. So went the cheaper out. Anyway, we're going to try to do it a little bit better, but we're just going to patch this spot in the siding under this window, put the siding back on, put the window in for now, and then we know that in the future we're going to have to rework around a lot of these windows. We're going to pull all this vinyl off and all this wood siding. We're going to go back to the studs and rewrap it if we own it that long, put a different kind of siding on it. That's the plan right now, is just to do a patch here and get this sealed up and good, and it'll be all right, but I'm sure that there's places that are nearly this bad, other places in the regular siding. That's what we're going to do. We may get into a little deeper than we want to here, but can't really move forward with that behind it. So that's what we're doing. Doing a little exploratory surgery. Insurance will only cover so much here, or rather our pocketbook in this case, and we just have to go with that. Do what we're prepared to do.
Look at all the beetles. Yikes.
There's one of them biting me.
Yeah, they do. They bite.
So we was talking about beetles this morning, and I didn't know the purpose of them, but evidently they was brought here intentionally for crops, Lisa was telling me. I don't know, she was just telling me.
To take care of the aphids, I think they said.
Is good, I guess. I guess it sounds like what she read, they was taking care of them, so that's good. But I just don't like them. But at least we know what their purpose is. I think it was through to the insulation, but it is right here. I can see it, so it'll be good to get this out of here. We have a piece of siding in there just about big enough to fit this spot, so that's what we're gonna do. This doesn't have to do anything but be a spacer. Pretty close. There. Now we wrap the sides and the top. And should be pretty good shape
Okay.
to set a window finally.
Yay.
But that's good.
Yeah. Jailed one.
Jailed one. So that should be where we want, right there. That sun is awful right there.
Yeah, it is.
There. There it is.
There it is. A little dirty, but put it back together. Looks nice.
Yeah, it does. Okay, here it is on the inside. Got it in, finally. We've already got little Asian beetles. They're awful. I tell you, just awful. See them up in there? Anyway, one more window down. We got all the windows in this section of the house, so we'll probably, as long as the weather holds, we may work on a few more windows, but at least we're in the position in here where we can go ahead and do sheetrock and finish our wiring out, and we got a lot of stuff to do inside this winter, so, and we could complete this whole area because the windows are in, so. We're gonna get out of here. We appreciate y'all, and we'll catch you on the next one.
Thanks for watching.